Welcome to the LeapFILE video introduction of the repository feature. The repository feature is an extremely useful function. Many of our clients choose to use repositories to manage several different projects or to allow collaboration within individual teams or departments. With repositories, you essentially get an online storage facility where you can save incoming file transfers from your clients and partners directly into a repository in your LeapFILE account, easily transfer files that you will typically send on a regular basis, organize your files and folders stored in your repositories, as well as share and collaborate files with your fellow teammates and coworkers. Let's log into our account to take a closer look. The repository section is located in the third tab of the menu bar across the top of the screen. Once there, you will see a list of all the repositories that are accessible by your user account. To create a new repository, click on the Add Repository button, where you will then be prompted to give the repository a name and an optional description. Let's go ahead and create a repository called Sales and Marketing Tools, and then click on Save. The newly added repository will be listed in the main repository section. Under each repository, you will see a number of links. File Explorer takes you into the files and folders stored within that repository. Search allows you to search for particular files located within that repository based on several filters and search criteria. User Access gives you the ability to grant or revoke access of any other users on your account to this repository. Edit lets you modify the name or description. Delete completely removes the entire repository. And finally, Logs gives you a report of any user activity within this repository. Let's look into the repository we just created. To do so, either click on the File Explorer link or on the icon located to the left of the repository name. Once you are within a repository, you can upload files directly by clicking on either of the Add Files buttons. The difference being, the button on the left allows you to add files individually, similar to the regular upload function when sending files, and the button on the right allows you to add files and folders in bulk, which is the same as the enhanced upload feature when sending files. Additionally, you can create new folders to organize your files into a subfolder directory structure, which is just like organizing your documents on your computer. So, let's say I would like to upload files such as user guides and data sheets into the Sales and Marketing Tools repository. Since I'm already in here, I'll just click on the Add Files ++ button to add my files using the enhanced bulk upload feature. Then, I just click on the Add button to locate the folder that I wish to add, click Open, and then click on Upload. Now that it's done uploading, let's go into the folder that I just uploaded. I could then do a number of things to the files in the repository. For example, I can update the file by clicking on Add Version and then uploading a newer version while keeping the older versions as well. LeapFILE provides a record of who updated the files and when it was uploaded. This makes document collaboration with multiple users easy to manage. Let's go back to the User Guides folder. Additionally, if there are files or folders that you frequently send, having a repository allows you to upload those files or folders once, which you can then send to your recipients directly from the repository. You just check the boxes for the files and folders that you would like to send, and then hit the Send button, which will take you to the same page as you would in setting up a file transfer. This is especially useful and saves you time if you regularly send out large files, such as a 100 megabyte introductory video, for example. Additionally, any incoming files that are sent to you from your clients or partners can be stored in the repository as well. Let's take a look at an incoming file transfer. To save the files to the repository, click on this Repository button, select the repository, and then select which subfolder you would like to save your files to. Click on the Copy button and the files will be saved to your repository. Even though you just saved your file to your repository, the transfer is still considered pending until you actually download the file from the Incoming Transfers page. In addition to what I showed you in the repository thus far, you also have the ability to tag files with keywords for easy search, manage access levels to the repository for each user, as well as audit and track access records for security compliance. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you all the neat features within the repository function. We hope you found this short video introduction to the repository helpful. For any additional questions, please contact us at support@leapfile.com or call us at area code 888-905-5327. Thanks for watching.